This video is about eyeshadow brushes and what you need to know about them, as well as how you can use them correctly. Now, my name is Melissa van Dijk, I'm a professional makeup artist, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it so that I can keep this channel independent. Thank you so much for your support, I really appreciate it, and let's get started. Now, understanding what each brush is for and how to use it properly will make your beauty routine more enjoyable. You'll end up with fewer mistakes and a gorgeous looking result. Now let's move on to the tools that you will need to get the job done right. The tools you will need for applying your eyeshadow will depend on your end goal. If you're looking to create a beautiful eye makeup look, then you'll need different brushes than if you're going for a minimalist look. Here are 5 of the most used eye makeup brushes you'll come across, and I'm also going to show you how you can use them. Starting off with a basic eyeshadow brush. An eyeshadow brush can be used to apply shadow across your lid and in the crease of your eye. It can also be used to apply primer to your eyelids. Brush number 2, a tapered eyeshadow brush. To get a smoky eye, you'll need to smudge your eyeshadow, and a taper brush will help you to do that. But that's not all it's good for. You can also use a tapered eyeshadow brush to add more contour to your eyes, making your eyes look bigger and your brow bone more prominent. The third brush is an eyeshadow crease brush. To create depth, you need to add a darker color to the crease of your eyelid. The Eyeshadow Crease brush is a smaller brush made specifically for this job. The fourth brush is an eyeliner brush. You can use eyeshadow as an eyeliner with this brush. Additionally, you can set your pencil eyeliner by applying eyeshadow over it with the eyeliner brush. And we can't forget the eyebrow brush. An important part of making your eyes look great is to make sure your eyebrows look fantastic. Think of your eyebrows as the frame and your eyes as the work of art. A beautiful frame can enhance the art, while a lackluster frame can take away from it. Use the brow brush as a blending tool after you apply your eyebrow pencil and use the spoolie in between. Now those were the steps on how you can use each brush. Keep in mind that brushes can come in various sizes, colors, and also different types of bristles, natural hair or synthetic. And if you get the hang of it on how you can use them, then you can also create a beautiful eye makeup look. And now with that being said, if you like this video, if you like the steps, which you can also follow at home, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!